Hello everyone, welcome to Creativity by Akshata. In this video, I will show you how you can draw and color Daisy Duck. So, let's begin. It's a cartoon character. Okay, so let's draw. Before that, I want to tell you that please subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for more interesting and creative videos. So, let's begin. One more thing I have to tell you for the materials. You want to know the materials, then you can just go in the description which is below. Okay, you have to just press the this is there, this arrow mark. So this you have to press. So here when you will press, you can see the description box. Okay, so now I will start. Okay, and now we are going to make the rough sketch. This is a very rough. Okay, just rough. Then afterwards, inside that we are going to paint, so it will look very beautiful. And it will be with brush pens. So you can search its name in the description also. So you will get that. Okay. So now let's do. So this is our rough sketch. Now inside this we are going to fill colors. Now it will be like a paint. Okay, we are not going to use paint, but we are going to use brush pen. You can say it as calligraphy pen also. uh, Whatever you want to tell, you can tell, but this is a brush pen which I am using. In previous video it was of Mickey Mouse. I shown how to draw Mickey Mouse and how to fill the colors in it. Same pen we will be using here. Same pen it will be. Okay, if you didn't understood, then you can go to the description. I told you now how to go to description. You can just check out the description box if you want to know about what is its name. Okay, so here, which is the white portion, we are not going to do anything in that, but we will just try to do little gray shading. Okay, because it is a shade. There is shade is coming. Okay, of the dress the shade is coming, of the this top is there, so of this top the shade is coming. So here we are going to give gray color, or slightly we can use pencil also. If you don't have, you can use pencil, and you can do that also. All others, all other colors except white, we are going to do white as it is. Only little gray shade we will give. So now let's begin with painting. Here for the stop, this brush pen will not suit because it is too dark. We don't want too dark, we want it light. So for that, only for this part we will be using, for this what you tell top, you are going to put just you are going to use this plastic crayons. Okay, name is given in the description, properly it is given, so you can see that. fill it very nicely, okay? No white pattern should be left. No white color should be seen. It should be filled very properly. After doing a light coat, we will be doing the dark coat. Now that means we will shade darkly now after doing light. You can see the changes, right? Here I tried to fill full, okay? Remaining which are the white, you can see white. This white will remain as it is, okay? That much if you will do, then the page will also spoil, and what you have done, what you have made, you have created, it will also get spoiled. So for just making it normal, looking beautiful, to make it beautiful, okay? So for that, this much only is enough. You can just give a little touch to this, otherwise you can leave it as it is, no issues on that. Now I told top means this part will also come. This is a part of the top. So top, full top. See this part, we will be doing it with the brush pen. Okay, we will be doing this with a brush pen. This is the dark part. So okay, so for dark part, this is a shade. Okay, shading it is. So it will be dark. Now let's do this. I'm not showing. You can do, right? So as you can see that I have done the dark portions also, where the shade is coming, okay? So like this you are going to do with the brush pen, and then you try to merge it. See, like this you can merge, try to merge. Not too much, okay? Then this you can merge like this little. It will not merge, but just try little to give it a little shade. See, and here what I did, because the separation was not seen as the dark parts are more, so here I used silver. This is a silver, or you can say gray. This is silver, I think, because it's shining. So silver brush pen. See, like this. Now we are going to use plastic crayons of DOMS, and we are going to put the strokes, okay, where it is. Like this you are going to fill. See, like this, little, give it a touch. See, like this. Don't worry, because afterwards we are going to do the border with black brush pen, or otherwise we will be using our mandala art pen, okay, for border. Now we are going to do bow. Daisy is a girl duck, so bow is there. So we are going to do that. For that we need pink, okay, pink shade, dark pink, that is rose pink you can say, and this is a baby pink. So baby pink, first we are going to apply, always first we are going to apply light shade, then we will go with dark. Same here, how we did, like that only, because if we do dark part first, then our drawing can spoil. Whatever we have done, it will spoil. Like this is pink color, but now It is looking, I think, like orange. It's pink only, okay? Here we will be using crayons, okay? That plastic crayon I showed, like that only. Wait, I will show you. So, this is the plastic crayon. It looks light, but when you will do it in front of this, it will look dark only. Now this is also same like this, what I told, light, then afterwards this dark border. Then we are going to use this plastic crayons of Doms, that is Doms Groove. You can check its name in the description I have given. So like that, same, not showing you. And this I'm directly, I will show you last, in last. Okay, that for after doing the full. Here you will be using this silver color brush pen it is. So full outline we will be doing like this. This will be blue. This will be blue color. Hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Once again I am telling, do subscribe my channel for interesting and creative videos, and do press the all bell notification for getting updated with my latest videos. Thank you.